Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be making costillas de puerco en Chile Colorado. So we're going to be making some pork rib in some Chile Colorado sauce. So for this recipe you're going to need, this is 3 pounds of trocitos de costilla de puerco, which is pork ribs. We're going to need 1 30-ounce can of nopales, which is tender cactus, pepper, salt, half of an onion, comino, which is ground cumin, bay leaves, hojas de laurel, and some oregano. You're gonna need 8 chiles guajillos, so 8 guajillo chilies, y un chile pasillo, one pasilla chili. And I also need 12 garlics, and this is all we're gonna need for this recipe. Let's get started. Okay, so this is our meat. Make sure to, this is 3 pounds of costillas de puerco. Make sure to rinse your meat very good. And here I have some hot water. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and put our meat in our pot. So to our pot, we're gonna add 3 bay leaves, onion, 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of oregano, but what you want to do is put it in your hand. Just crumble it up. Salt and pepper. Garlics, and then we mix, cover, and cook for 1 hour and 45 minutes. Okay, so these chilies are ready, and you're gonna start to smell them, and you're gonna notice that they're starting to change color. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, put them on the plate. I'm gonna take the stem off and the seeds, and I'll show you what's next. So here I have the 4 garlics, so keep them on the side, and you want to take the stem off and take the seeds and put them here. 8 chiles. So here I have the chilies, and there's the seeds and the stem, so that's gonna go in the trash, and the garlic, just save it because we're gonna need it. So what you want to do is take spoonful of the broth, and you're gonna put it on the chiles. And you're gonna let them soak here for a little bit. Our costillas are ready. So what we're gonna do on this pan over here, it has some manteca, which is pork lard. I'm gonna go ahead and let it melt a little bit, and we're gonna start frying our pork in here. So now what you want to do is just take them, so you just want to take it go ahead and fry your costillas for a little bit. So while my costillas are frying up a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and dump this right in the blender. The 4 garlics and some salt. Cover and mix and blend. of the broth. Meanwhile, las costillitas todavía se están dorando. So you can see that they're getting nice and crispy like that, and that's how we want them. Costillitas are ready too, and what you do is just take it. You add a little bit more of the chicken stock in here so you can get all the yummy stuff in the blender, and then that way you pour it all in there. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and drain all the water from in here, and then we're gonna pour our nopales in here. So I drained all the liquid and water, and now we pour it all in there. Then you mix. We're gonna cover this. Okay, we're gonna cover this and let it boil. Okay. So you wanna go ahead and taste it to see if you need more salt. Nope. To me it's good, but if you need to add more salt, go ahead and add more salt. And this is ready. So these are your costillas, costillitas de puerco en chile colorado. And there you have it. Costillitas de puerco en chile colorado. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, comment down below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.